You think the word in English and I will teach you what is it on Tagalog. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Starts now. English word. Any kind of word in English.
Happy?
Happy. What is it in Tagalog? Masaya.
Masaya.
Ikaw nga.
Masaya.
Happy, masaya.
Happy, masaya.
Happy in English, in Tagalog is masaya.
Masaya.
Okay. What else?
Car.
Car? You have idea what is it in Tagalog? Sasakyan. Ah, sasakyan.
Sasakyan.
Ah?
Sasakyan.
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 Okay. What else? How about blue?
Blue.
In Tagalog,
It's
the color blue that in Tagalog.
the color blue on Tagalog.
Opo, what is Tagalog of blue? Ano? Hindi rin maisip ni Mami kung ano Tagalog ng blue.
Oh,
Sa'yo mo na Tagalog ng blue.
Ng blue?
Opo.
Pilipino kayo, hindi.
Dali na. Ano nga? Ha?
Asul.
Asul baby. Nakalimutan ko. Asul pala. Asul. Okay.